This is a homogeneous differential equation. How to say an equation is a homogeneous differential equation? For example, this is x square, x raised to 2, and this is minus xy. Here x raised to 1 and y raised to 1. Totally degree of this one is 2. Degree of this one is 2. Y square. Here also degree of this term is also 2. And next another term is xy. Degree of this term is also 2. So we can say that this is a homogeneous degree of 2. For example, if we take some another differential equation, for example, x square dx plus y dy is equal to 0. Here we can see that here x square of degree 2 and y is y raised to 1. Here this degree of this term is 1. So this is not homogeneous. Such equations are not homogeneous. If x square dx plus xy dy is equal to 0, this we can say that homogeneous. Why? Because x raised to 2, here x raised to 1 and y raised to 1, totally degree of this term is 2. Similar, so we can say that this is a homogeneous differential equation of degree 2. One technique is there to solve this homogeneous differential equation, that is put y is equal to vx. We can put x is equal to vy also. Now I put here y is equal to vx. Here one thing we must note that v is also variable and x is also variable. Then if y is equal to vx, then what is dy? Dy is equal to v dx plus x dv. This is by if two things are to differentiate, if u into v differentiation is there, then we write that u into v dash uv whole dash, that means differentiation of uv means u into differentiation of v plus v into differentiation of u. The same way, when differentiating this whole term dy, we must write v dx plus x dv. This is differentiation of this one. Then if y is equal to vx, then what is v? V is equal to y by x. Now first we have to put in the place of y vx and in the place of dy v dx plus x dv. If we put it, then we get x square minus x into y means x into vx, that is vx square, plus y square means v square x square, so v square x square into dx, minus xy means y means vx into x is vx square into v dx. Here in the place of dy we can see this one v dx plus x dv, that is equal to 0. Now x square is common here in all term. We can see x square is common. If we take common x square, and here after the equation we can see here 0. So if we shift this x square to here, we get this term, what in this bracket, this term becomes 0. 1 minus v plus v square dx minus v square dx minus vx into dv is equal to 0. We can take this equation, and here minus v square dx and plus v square dx. So if we take this to here, dx is common here, so we can take v square in this bracket, and v square cancels out. 1 minus v into dx and minus vx dv is equal to 0. Now minus vx into dv, and if we take this to if we shift this to after the equation, we get 1 minus v becomes v minus 1 into dx. So v minus 1, if we take v minus 1 to here, v divided by v minus 1 into dv, x to here dx by x. We can take this minus to here, we get minus dx by x v by v minus 1 dv. We can write v as v minus 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1 becomes 0. So we get v. We can write this one as this type. Then we can write what is v minus 1 divided by v minus 1. That is 1 plus 1 divided by v minus 1 into dv is equal to minus dx by x. On integration we get integration of dv is vv and integration of 1 by v minus 1. If we put integration of 1 by v minus 1 with respect to v is ln v minus 1. Why? Because if we put u is equal to v minus 1, then what is du? Differentiation of u is dv. Differentiation of 1 is 0. So du is equal to dv. So in the place of dv we get du, and in the place of v minus 1 is u. 1 by u. What is integration of 1 by u? That is ln u. So we can write it as u. In the place of u we have v minus 1. In the place of u we have v minus 1. So ln v minus 1 is the integration of this one. So minus ln x, integration of this one is ln x, plus c is the integration constant. Now what is v here? We are take that v is equal to y by x. So in the place of v we can put y by x ln y by x minus 1 plus ln x is equal to c. Now we can this is also a solution of the given differential equation, and also we can convert that y by x plus ln y minus x by x. We can write y by x minus 1 as if we make common denominator by multiplying x both side here, we get x by x. Y by x minus x by x is y minus x divided by x. So we can write in this manner y minus x divided by x plus ln x is equal to c. We know that ln a by b is equal to ln a minus b. So y by x plus, we can write this one as ln a minus b in this form, ln of y minus x minus ln x. This is ln x. So ln x and ln x are cancelled. This is plus ln x, this is minus ln x. Ln x minus ln x is 0. So y by x plus ln y minus x is equal to c. This is also a simplified solution for the given differential equation. This is the method of homogeneous. This is method to solve homogeneous equation, homogeneous differential equation. So by this technique we can solve homogeneous differential equation.